This video explains how to rotate a 3D character in CreateStudio Pro. So let's get into it. So here we are in a new project. First of all, we'll add a background. Let's get this forest background, drop it into the timeline, and now go back and go to 3D Creator. Let's grab Lenka, put her here. And there she is. Okay, so if we select Lenka at the moment, she doesn't rotate, she just moves around. We can change the scale. And to rotate, you literally just press this button here, and that goes into rotate mode. So then what you do is you click and drag. So click and drag. There you go. You can rotate. You can also go up or down. So you could be literally in any angle you wish. Okay. And then you let go and she'll be at the angle that you left her in. And then to come out of rotate mode, you hit the rotate button again and we're back to the scale mode. And that's it. It's as easy as that. We can add an action. So we can see her performing the action. Let's try pointing right and searching. Let's see how that looks. Okay, let's pull the background out. There you go. So all of the actions that we've added will be done from that position, from that idle position that we've set, and we can adjust it again if we like. We can select her, click rotate, and we could have her doing it in the other direction. Okay, so we could do it like that. Back to the beginning. Okay, so that is how you rotate a 3D character in CreateStudio Pro. Thanks for watching. Now, in case you're not aware, CreateStudio Pro currently has a lifetime deal, which is a really good offer. It's $67 for life, as opposed to monthly subscriptions. So I've left a link for you in the description below that will take you to that offer on the CreateStudio Pro official website. So I recommend you check it out. Thanks for watching.